Scheiße.
OMG. The self-healing didn't work as expected. Because the sand bed turned out to be a covered litter box for the entire neighborhood, the mesh had to be installed at a short notice. It was almost boring. The thick mesh could only be installed exactly as it had been unrolled. I didn't make a video because it would have just been hammering in 10,000 nails. For Mishka, the open position was an invitation. Mishka, stop, stop, stop! So the gate had to be installed as quickly as possible and the toilet was out of service. Mishka is still angry about it until this day. After the walls were covered up to the floor, the screed could begin. The screed mate is inserted and the final height is marked. The final layer is more than 50 mm thick. Why screed? Some might ask. I had two options: plane down the wooden floor so I could easily sweep the stable, or lay screed that would likely overlive me. I bought 5 40 kg bags and thought there would be plenty left over. It was exactly right down to the last scoop. I realized quickly that I had mixed the entire mixture to dry, which would make spreading it much more difficult. Bucket by bucket, the screed is applied and tap it into the place. Then it was smoothed evenly into all corners and finally leveled with the sloop propered to the door. The most important thing now was to protect the screed so that no cat could walk on the soft surface. Of course, Mishka didn't miss the opportunity to lie on Bidonia.
Mishka, Bidonia? Oh, frischer Estrich. Das ist doch deins, oder? Frischer Bidon. Ja, aber das ist schon Vogellies.
My little turn on the catwalk, yeah, on the catwalk, on the catwalk, yeah, I shake my little tush on the catwalk.
The interior was painted with lime paint, which is moisture regulating, anti-mold and antiseptic, especially for stables. When working with this kind of paint, you must protect your eyes all around and your skin shouldn't have any contact with the paint. Diatomaceous Kieselguhr is applied to the wet paint. Kieselguhr effectively prevents mites from moving there and is completely harmless to the chicken. To ensure better adhesion, the Kieselguhr should be applied to the wet paint. After the shitty plate has been installed, the rest can now be covered and the door can be attached. Now I just have to put up the laying boxes and soon I will have to get the chickens. Oh, wenn das nicht geil ausschaut. It was finished 3 days before Easter. Now it just needs to be oiled and dried, install the lights, touch up, done. Two days before Easter, it's time for the chickens! Subscribe to the channel and you wouldn't miss the chicken days! See you on the next video!